So I wanted to turn my brother's basic outfit into something completely unique. I started with this plain t-shirt and decided to paint a spider using black acrylic paint. I really wanted that Spider-Man inspired vibe because honestly, spiders are trending everywhere right now. And then I moved on to the cream-colored jeans. For these, I painted a realistic lion using black acrylic paint. I took my time with the details, and I'm honestly so happy with how realistic it turned out. And this is the final look. A simple t-shirt and jeans turned into a completely custom outfit. What do you think of my artwork? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative art.